Hello, I'm Carolyn, the California Wine Wayfarer, here in Paso Robles, halfway between LA and San Francisco. We're using the Idler's demonstration kitchen to show you how winemakers cook. And Janell Dusi is going to be here in a few minutes to talk about her recipe for minestrone. It contains some of her delicious Zin blend. Okay, first step in this recipe is getting a big soup pot, heating some olive oil, and adding onions. Easy. We're talking easy. In California wine country, we try to do things as easy as possible, and I have everything already chopped and pre-measured. So we're going in with one onion, cut into these thick little ringlets. It's a yellow onion. And the ringlets are thick right now, but this is gonna stew for like 2.5 hours. Next, the recipe calls for adding vegetables, one vegetable at a time. This must be an Italian tradition because she's adding the harder vegetables first and sauteing each one for 2 minutes before adding the next. So we're starting with carrots, and then we're gonna add fennel, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, and some zucchini and summer squash. 2 minutes per vegetable. Now is the part of the recipe for our favorite ingredients: the wine, the lovely Zin blend from J. Dusi, a couple of glugs of Pernod, which is an anise flavored. Is that enough?
It was kind of
Okay. Then the meat of the recipe is these San Marzano tomatoes. Basil, oregano, salt and pepper. And we're going to put the lid on and let it stew for 2.5 hours. And enjoy with a glass of Fiorento from Janell Dusi.